Hello guys, welcome to Spot Area channel. Today I will bring a tutorial on how to copy Instagram profile link to 2022 copy of Instagram link. Before that, so you don't miss any of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First of all, we have the Instagram application here. Click the Instagram application and then click the symbol of the button. Click edit profile. After that, copy the username. Just copy. Okay. After that, you can go to the Chrome or the search option. www.instagram.com/ and copy your username. Past, and click here, and then it's directly to your profile account. Just wait a minute, and yeah, this is a profile account of mine. This is a tutorial how to copy Instagram profile links, and then I think enough. Thank you for the attention. I hope this video is useful, and bye.